Welcome once again to Thompson Smith, and today we're very pleased to offer this lovely lava red Vauxhall Astra 1 litre turbo design Tourer. I've got the car ticking over already to show you first of all the daytime running lights. I'll just take you in for a close up of the 16-inch alloy wheels. I'll just walk you down the driver's side of the vehicle and show you the rear privacy glass. And just take you into the tailgate area. And this great size family boot. You've also got in here a full size spare wheel, a real rarity these days, which was specified by our lady owner. We supplied the car from brand new. It's got full service history with ourselves. We've done just 12,000 miles. I'll just take you into the rear seating area. And hopefully the video will show how clean the car is. Looks like it's now been sat in from there. Now down the near side to the near side front view. And just take you around, just take you to the cabin itself and just show you some of the bits. You just work our way across. We've got electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors. Show you the seating area. Car's in superb condition. Now see auto lighting. Trip computer just shows you on there. Been averaging a very healthy 49.1 to the gallon. Cruise control. Now I've got my phone plugged in the Intellilink system here. You can load your own Google Maps and podcasts and bits and bobs. You can see there. So just pull it out and go back to the car's main menu. All Bluetooth and DAB radio. As you work your way down, you'll see air conditioning. See the stop-start vehicle. 5-speed manual box. I've also got the service book already out. Just shows you there. We've done the vehicle, serviced the vehicle 3 times from brand new. Last one being done in October, 11,500 miles, and the car's just turned 12,000 miles now. And it's just had its first MOT as well. Now the car will come with 6 months nationwide R.A.C Platinum warranty, which can be extended. We do offer nationwide delivery. We'll just come out for one last look. If you'd like to know more about this car, you can run yourself Tom or the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.